Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video I will teach you how to enable the dark theme or dark mode in your YouTube site, okay, using the PC or Google Chrome. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to search engine and search the youtube.com. Okay guys, we have here in YouTube. All you have to do is click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, find the dark theme. So okay, click the dark theme. Okay, we are here in dark theme switch button. All you have to do is click the switch button on the dark theme. Okay guys, that's it. And now my YouTube site are dark theme. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.